Today we'll be cooking a lean turkey protein meal, and I've got 500 grams of lean turkey, which I'll be using just under half of that. I've got some broccoli, I've got some sweet peppers, I've got some 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and I've got 1 teaspoon of salt. I've got plantain, and I've got which will be using a quarter of that plantain. I've got 1 onion, we'll be using a quarter of that onion. I've got 1 carrot, and I've got some green beans. Hi there, we'll be cutting up, first we'll be cutting up all the veg, and we'll be cutting up 1 cup of veg. That's carrots, broccoli, and green beans. So we're just going to do the carrots, and we're going to cut them in strips. Just the way I do it. Slice them up. Okay, that's the way we're cutting up the carrots, about this size. Next we're going to cut up the green beans here. I'm just going to cut them in about 3. There we are, the green beans cut up. Next we're going to just slice our broccoli up. We're just going to cut them not too thin, because we're going to saute them. There we are. Then we're just going to cut up our green pepper seeds today. We're going to use about 1 green pepper, green sweet pepper, but we're going to use half green and half a yellow one. I'm just going to cut them into strips today. Just strips like that. Yeah, that's how we're going to cut them today. There we have it. Finish slice up our green pepper, and that will give us about 1 cup of green peppers. Next we'll be dicing up the onion, and this is half an onion. This is about 1/4 cup of onion. Next we'll be seasoning the lean turkey for you. What we're going to use today is 1 tablespoon, about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and some black pepper, about 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and some pinch of salt, which is about 1/4 tablespoon of salt, just to make sure that it's all mixed in. It's all seasoned for you. What we're going to do next is slice up our plantain. Remember we said we've got about 1/4 of a plantain. So we're going to What we're going to do now is we're just going to cook our turkey, our lean turkey. I'm just going to spread it on here. Just going to put our turkey to cook. Let that cook out for about 5 minutes, but we're going to turn it while it's cooking. And as I said today, the aim of it is to cook a protein meal, and we know that in the protein meal that the turkeys are lean and it's full of protein and it's low in calorie also. Also remember that all the ingredients we use today can be found in the description below. I'm going to put a bit of onions in the turkey so I give it flavour, and then we're going to turn it over. Peppers in, so they'll fry out as well. So they'll cook out. Remember, peppers have got vitamin C and are very good for you. Just put a little bit of seasoning on these peppers. So a bit of salt, a bit of all-purpose seasoning, a bit of black pepper. There we have it. The turkey's been cooking for 10 minutes. And we're going to take it out. I've turned it over already. We're just going to put it on the plate. The onions on it. what I'm doing now, I'm just laying this sweet pepper across the turkey. There you have it, the turkey's done. Next I'm going to fry some plantain for you. These plantain are quite thin and there's not many of them, so there's not much carbs in them. And they won't take long to fry, and they're not overripe, so we know that plantain is low in carbs. So I'm going to give them about 3-4 minutes to fry. Anyway, I'm going to turn the plantains very quickly. There you have it, the plantain are now done. You're just going to place on the side of the plate. So we're going to put our vegetables in now. A bit more oil. 1 calorie olive oil. We're going to start with the green beans and the carrots because they take longer to cook. Okay, we just let those cook out a little while. And we're going to put our broccoli in. And broccoli is very good for you. It's got vitamins. We've got vitamins in them, and they've also good for stress, sugar level, your glucose level and your cholesterol, those broccolis. Add some seasoning to our broccoli, that's a bit of black pepper. And some all-purpose seasoning. Chop a bit of onions on them just to give it flavour, and then we just let it cook out for a few more minutes. There we are, the vegetables are now cooked, and remember I said we put some green beans in there, and the green beans are good for lowering cholesterol and also for other things. So there we have it. The carrots is good for carotenes. So there you have it today. Thank you again today for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel. Okay, this is what your protein meal looks like today.